Għandek raġun.
Żgur li ma tafix.
Ovvja li ma fimx. Kienet qed kanta biċ-Ċiniż mela ma rajtix vera Zurkan.
Eżatt.
Biċ-Ċiniż.
Mela,
Iva, iva.
ħanfehmek. Fire, tfajna daqsxejn il-filmat jekk jogħġbok.
Itfaw li l-filmat.
Go back to sleep, Amber. When I next wake you, you have the ability to speak Chinese. You really do. You can speak Chinese. You will speak Chinese the way you think Chinese would speak. You will just make it up as you go along, and you will really believe that you can speak Chinese. And when I wake you, you're actually on a Chinese talk show. And you're going to promote your new song to the massive audience in China. You are now in Beijing. 1, 2, 3, wide awake.
Right, Amber.
Kuċa.
Taf jaw ħafna nies, u xedin jaraw. Taf għalfej edaw.
Kuċa, bina.
So what's it like to be broadcasting to one of the biggest populations in the world?
Oh, China issa. Wana warrior.
Oh, really? Wow. Could you sing Warrior in Chinese for us? Could you sing Warrior in Chinese? I think Malta would love to hear,
Okay.
and especially the Chinese population in Malta, they would love to hear you sing Warrior in Chinese.
Fa na na na, cha na na na.